How's it going, everybody? This is Lady42 here, and I'm back again. Yeah, I'm actually back again to do reaction videos. I know I've been absent and disappeared again. That's because, well, things have been busy and stuff, and I've been, doing some driving classes, and I haven't got my license yet. Kind of like SpongeBob. Ugh. So speaking of SpongeBob, I did see the SpongeBob birthday blowout in July. I'd say it was pretty good, I guess, in Traverse Square. I really did not like Traverse Square, especially the patchy stuff. Anyways, with that aside, so yeah, I'm back. And hopefully I'll be able to make more videos this year. I know I've been lacking yet again. I really don't want to disappoint you guys, the subscribers. Anyways, for today's video, we're gonna be reacting to a SpongeBob YTP because why not? We need SpongeBob in our life now, do we? This video is called SpongeBob, Pot Rock, and Squidward Go to Vietnam, or Vietnam, whatever. It's made by Cool Cat 00110. This is uploaded back in 2014. Man, am I getting old. And also time flies a lot. The first thing we see here is Squidward. It's that popular meme face. I heard this is a very popular video. It already has 1 million views on what I'm seeing right now. And let's begin. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, alright, Weird Al. Wait, are those AirPods? What's it? Whoa. Did you hear about the strange noises coming from them?
What's that supposed to be? Some kind of stupid secret code? Oh, can I remember that? Oh, yeah? What does it take to be a member? You need to have muscles.
We choke.
I'll have you know that I am a loser.
Squid says he doesn't like Krabby Patties.
No.
Zero.
Oh no, don't eat barnacle chips. Those aren't delicious.
To join.
A, B.
You can't join.
A, B. Mash that switch. What?
Roma, there's no Roma here.
We've been stuck up here for 3 days.
Weird Al again.
Stopping.
What?
We'll give
Okay.
you a member
That
initiation.
works.
Are you ready, Patrick?
Yes. Also, I hope you can hear me because I do have my air conditioner on.
Hi,
Cutie Pie, Mickey. A, B, B, A, B. Oh, wrong one.
Boom. There it goes.
Oh, put with these 9/11 jokes, please.
Dude, we're falling right out of the sky.
We gotta drop the load. Well,
Oh no, that didn't just happen. Please tell me that didn't happen.
I don't know. Something about his nose?
probably.
Middle of nowhere with SpongeBob and Patrick on a filthy lagoon.
I felt it was really good.
It's horrible.
No, it's not.
I've never seen that movie.
It's pants on fire, Patrick.
Oh, what?
Magic punch down?
What does Shanch? Someone tell me what Shanch is. Get me food out.
Just a stupid toy.
Squidward! Oh, magic Shunshell. What do we need to do to get out of the kelp forest?
Just follow these steps. 1,
Cut a hole in a box.
2,
What?
Put your junk in that box. Make her open the box.
Oh no, it's this song.
The way you do it. It's my dick in a box.
Thanks for not showing that.
Nothing. We can't just sit here and do nothing.
Shock Patrick is shocked about me.
But don't you two sad clowns come crying to me when your circus tent comes crashing down. Sad clown.
Krusty. After a few hours of long and swear found balance. It's over dedicated. Is this the Vietnam War?
Are you high?
What? Oh. You missed. No.
There's no way out here.
Didn't that plane just crash already?
How's it going over there at Club Moron? I am hungry. I wonder what's on the menu for Club Shell for breakfast.
Shall for brains. Gooba.
Your club president is a shell for
For
brains.
brains.
If you had listened to me, you'd have food,
What?
and a roaring
Oh, oh.
But instead, you listen to a talking lamb.
A lamb?
That tells you nothing. As if the answers to all your problems will fall right out of the sky.
Didn't that already up? Why
Right out of the sky.
are they glitching?
Dude, we're falling right out of the sky.
We gotta drop the load!
Freeze! You want to die?
Raise the magic.
MG squad reports enemy action. Hey, SpongeBob, that sure is a lot of food.
What?
Oh, yeah.
No.
What shall I eat first? The spaghetti, the turkey, the canned soup.
Why don't you ask the magic punch, Squidward?
What's a chaunch?
Yeah, like that.
Really?
Right after I can sell the soup, I have
I'm done.
spaghetti.
That's my phone. I'm picking it up.
Try asking again.
Then how about the soup?
Maybe someday.
Why?
I have anything to eat?
Yes.
Can I have something to eat?
No.
SpongeBob.
You don't know how happy
It doesn't all look like SpongeBob's hand. I know I've seen that in some animation there in the wiki, but it doesn't look like it.
And their magic punch shell.
Magic? Chunch? Shell?
You mean like this?
No, not that. No.
All right, magic punch.
So only they're alive.
No.
Well, first, you have to make a snowball. Oh, hail the magic punch!
It's not making a snowball.
Oh, hail the soup.
Chaunch.
Yeah, like that.
Really?
Right after I can sell the soup, I have
I'm done.
spaghetti.
That's my phone. I'm picking it up.
Try asking again.
Then how about the soup?
Maybe someday.
Why?
I have anything to eat?
Yes.
Can I have something to eat?
No.
SpongeBob.
You don't know how happy
It doesn't all look like SpongeBob's hand. I know I've seen that in some animation there in the wiki, but it doesn't look like it.
And their magic punch shell.
Magic? Chunch? Shell?
You mean like this?
No, not that. No.
All right, magic punch.
So only they're alive.
No.
Well, first, you have to make a snowball. Oh, hail the magic punch!
It's not making a snowball.
Oh, hail the soup.
Everything is awesome.
Congrats on reaching 2,000K. Hey, haven't seen you in a while.
Victory!
Alright, so a few seconds left. What's gonna happen?